What's up, you guys? So I wanted to come on and show you my cast. I'm gonna break it, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently than what I'm used to. Maybe a lot of us are used to, is by using a few drops of oil. Instead, I'm going to be using foam. If you can see it. There you go. I already have some on my hands. I'm trying to let it melt a little bit. So I got this idea from Curly Sin. She uses a little bit of extra gel to scrunch out the crunch, but she has super curly hair and I don't. And I know that if I add more gel to my hair, it's just gonna weigh my waves down because my hair weighs down super easy. So I figured the next best thing that's a little bit lighter is to use a foam. So I'm really like rubbing it into my hands. This is one pump and we'll see how it goes. Could I be ruining a perfectly good wash day? Yeah, but if I learn something from it, then it's not a failed wash day, right? So let's just check this out. So this is pretty rubbed into my hands. It almost feels like a sticky lotion at this point. Again, it kind of looks wet in my hands. It really just feels sticky. You can see it, like, yeah. So I'm gonna scrunch this out. And you know what, if it ends up not working, I'll just go back through with some oil after it dries and we'll figure out what happens. All right. Not bad. You guys, I think this actually worked. It doesn't feel like there's any product in my hair. Even after putting that in, my hands are still a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna try to get the rest of that in. Again, that was only one pump of mousse, so not a lot. I think it helped with some of the frizz that was in there. Okay, I'm gonna fluff with my fingertips. See where my hair wants to fall. This worked. This worked nice. Look at this. Curly Sin, she's onto something. Would I try this with gel? Yeah, I still don't think I would do it with gel, just because I know how my hair reacts on refresh days when I add a little bit of water and gel to it. It gets stringy pretty easy. So I think that scrunching out the crunch with mousse is a good idea. All right, I left my wide tooth comb in my bathroom, so I'm gonna go get that. And then I'm gonna fluff that up, and then I'll come back and we'll see how it looks once I'm finished with it. All right, you guys, here it is. It's settled for the most part. I think it's still deciding where it wants to fall a little bit, but I'd say overall this was a success. Yeah, so give it a try. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I just used one pump of foam, or you can use mousse. I emulsified it in my hands until it was a sticky consistency, or at least it was smoothed out as runny as I could get it, just so I had more control over where it was gonna go in my hair, so I could distribute it a little more evenly. And then I just smoothed it in, scrunched it out. So here we are. Should we take a look at the back? Cool. All right, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you give this a try. Yeah, I hope it works for you too. All right, have a great day. Thanks, guys.